Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix your SIM card not showing problem. So you can see here it is not showing any SIM card, so I'm unable to use mobile data. So how you can fix it in your Realme smartphone? Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. So first friends, you have to just tap on settings. Then friends, you have to click on apps, and just you have to do is app management, and right here system in the search bar. Click on this search and you have to just clear cache it by clicking on this. Now just press back, and sometimes your SIM card is not showing, so you have to first remove it. I show you how you can just remove it from here. So friends, you can see you have to just friends, you can see here you have to just remove this tray, and sometimes you can see here it is SIM2, so you have to remove it from the SIM2 and put it in the SIM1 slot. So let's see if it is working. Then you have to just put it in this smartphone like this, and now friends, you can see here it is showing and mobile data is working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.